The sun, baby. This thing's running off the power of the sun. No power from the power company. I just installed my solar panel array and got my new DC powered pump that runs directly off the sun with 2 wires, nothing in between. No energy from the power company.
Another customer sounds excited, as they should be. Hello, I'm Michael Evingham, CEO of Natural Current, creator of the SunRay hybrid solar powered pool pump. Being passionate about sustainable swimming pool ownership and eliminating wasteful water care practices and traditions has been my driving motivation to engineer, develop, and manufacture the modern way to care for your swimming pool. From small above ground pools to large in-ground pools, 3.5 horsepower and below, our SunRay hybrid solar pump will filter your water for free all day long from the sun. And since it's a hybrid pump, using the power grid, you could turn it on anytime you like at night. I have experienced firsthand the frustration and pain pool owners face with monthly utility costs from their AC-powered filter pool pumps, just to operate and maintain a healthy water environment. My focus has always been to get pool owners back financial control without sacrificing the safety and the quality of their water. However, the swimming pool industry's focus isn't to decarbonize, but to keep their status quo of the utility grid-powered AC variable speed pool pumps, which are programmed to slow pump during the heat of the day to save energy and meet federal regulations. Unfortunately, grid-powered AC pool pumps slow pumping will not help meet our climate goals and allows for unsafe bacteria growth in an unsuccessful attempt to maintain water quality while trying to reduce energy cost. But now there's another way, a better way, with our SunRay hybrid solar powered pump system, which is variable speed by the sun because it runs in the morning and right into the night. Cloudy days or not, your swimming pool will use less chemicals due to strong circulation and filtration all day long, free from the sun. It also helps meet our climate goals and eliminates the need to consume our natural resources for electrical power, like your existing AC pool pump is requiring now, today, and every day. With your pledge and support, this is something we all can get behind and change today for a better future tomorrow. Richard, who made the change to our solar pump, had this to say.
This is the only way to go. You gotta be fool not to do this. This is the solar panels for my pool pump. That's all it serves. No electricity used at all. I really love it.
It runs pretty quiet too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, a lot quieter. And how much I was spending just on the pump alone.
Yeah.
I gotta figure out.
That sticks with you.
$100 a month. $100 a month.
Have you told other people about the SunRay solar pump in your pool and saving you money?
People don't get it because it's hard to believe. It really is hard to believe. How can you run a pool pump for free? That's all it basically boils down to. It's hard to believe, isn't it?
Yeah, well, not no more.
I got friends that come over and they look, I go, that's not costing me a penny. No electricity at all.
So you come out and admire the pool a lot more having it off the grid and being solar powered.
Every day. I do.
Just to admire it and not have to work on it.
Yep.
Thanks, Richard. With an average return on investment of just 2 years and a 30% federal tax credit, our SunRay hybrid DC solar pumps are not only sustainable, but also pay for themselves very quickly, leading the way in residential energy and water preservation, returning those savings back to you and your local community. You won't believe how much water and energy just one swimming pool uses powering it per year, and the pollution it produces in doing so. Make sure you check out the information below, charts, pictures, and additional videos. With your pledge, you will not only be backing Natural Current, but also backing yourself, your neighbors, and the planet. So, if you're excited as we are, take action now. Please call your friends and family. Spread the word to anyone who owns a swimming pool or cares about the planet. Now get this. With over 14 million swimming pools in the USA and costing residential swimming pool owners over $10 billion a year, which is sent and paid to the utility electric companies or your local power plant just to run the current utility grid-powered AC pool pumps in the USA. That money is no longer needed to be sent to the utility companies with our SunRay hybrid solar-powered pool pump, and now can be used in local community and services or kept in family budgets. $10 billion a year is a big financial shift in resources that changes things for everyone. Now, in regards to the environment, to produce the power needed for all the AC pool pumps in the USA, power plants have to generate 32 million megawatts of power. That's equal to 4 coal plants running 24/7 year-round. that consumes, get this, 1.3 trillion gallons of water, which is 10 times the volume of water of all the swimming pools in our country. Which means a swimming pool uses 10 times the volume of its own water for a power plant to generate and make the electricity and send the power to the pool pump that it consumes. Crazy. This production of energy pumps 100 million tons of CO2 emissions into the air, which equals to about the emissions of 20 million cars on the road per year. In perspective, Tesla, since its inception in 2008, has sold just over 2 million electric cars in the 14 years of doing business. So as you can tell, replacing AC-powered pool pumps with our hybrid solar-powered pool pumps is just as impactful as replacing combustible engine vehicles with electric ones. But of course, keep in mind, we have a return on investment of just 2 years, unlike electric vehicles of around 10. It's more urgent now than ever that together we make every swimming pool sustainable and off the grid. At Natural Current, together we make the difference that literally affects tomorrow. Please make your pledge and support today. We have a lot of work to do. Let's get it done. Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
반짝이는 waves 향긋한 가을 향해 갈게 Feeling love 어제나 뿌릴 때 태양의 너야 이 순간을 느껴 꿈이 아니니까
Dollars on a dolly with my homies, eco-friendly. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny